Alright guys, it is Saturday afternoon. Just wanted to feature this 99 to 2000 Honda Civic aftermarket grill. It's in good condition, it's never been used. If you guys are interested, come check it out. Let us know in the comment section below or just message us. What is up guys? It is Sunday morning and I had a customer hit me up on OfferUp regarding the 99 to 2000 Honda Civic aftermarket grill you see right here. So he's going to be here to pick it up. Let me take it out to show you. There you go guys. This is the aftermarket grill. Yeah, customer's on the way to pick it up. So just wanted to show you the products that we have featured this week from our OfferUp for our blog. And here it is. Big shout out to Luis from OfferUp. Luis from OfferUp hit us up and was interested in this 99 to 2000 Honda Civic aftermarket grill. So he's on his way to pick it up. And big shout out to Luis for supporting us from OfferUp. All right, guys. So Luis just came here. He just stopped by. What's up, bro?
Hey.
Yeah. So he just came by to pick up the grill like we showed you guys earlier. And he's doing a little conversion, right, bro? Tell us a little bit about the car right now.
Yeah, I have a 1999 Honda Civic EX. Gonna be planning to do a JDM conversion. So I'm gonna be getting rid of this bumper and getting one with the fog light fitment, so I can add some clear fogs. I'm gonna be redoing the fenders. Gonna be polishing them. I just added these new black trim lights with white bulbs. Gonna be converting them to LED bulbs. And then planning to do maybe a coilover drop about half an inch or an inch or so. And then yeah, just gonna add the side skirts and then just add a little bit more visors up in the back. And then yeah, pretty much that's it. And save up later on for an engine conversion, maybe at one point, and do like a B series swap. And nice. Once I do get another daily vehicle, I'll go for a K series swap, just to be able to put it down on the tracks.
Oh, nice, man. Cool, bro.
Yeah.
You have an Instagram or anything, or?
Yeah, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My handle is at luis.acuna, A-C-U-N-A, double A at the end. And yeah, you can be able to see all the progress that I'll be doing on the vehicle.
Cool, guys. Yeah, make sure you guys check out Luis's build. Follow him on the Instagram. Yeah, look at he's working on it, so don't judge.
Yeah,
still a work in progress, guy. You got that carbon fiber head.
Start,
yeah, it's all a start. So yeah, we're glad to help him with the grill, and he told us he needed fogs, so we're gonna look into that, help him if we can get the fogs. We'll definitely hook him up. Car's coming together, you know, it takes time, so he's getting the parts he needs, and we're glad that he checked us out and supporting Firm for 100. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully, if he needs anything else, we'll be glad to help him, and hopefully I'll vlog more about it.
Yeah, man. Can't wait to be showing the work. It'll be a great work in progress.
Yeah. Appreciate it, Luis. Thanks for stopping by, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate this.
Yeah. Awesome. All right, guys. It is still Sunday, and another customer just hit me up on the OfferUp. And I have here these 3 Series kidney grills. One is actually like a matte finish. The other one it has like a glossy finish to it. It is the complete grill for the 3 Series. And I'm just selling it as is. I had this in storage for a minute. Shout outs to Brian for supporting us on OfferUp. Yes, Brian is going to be picking up these BMW 3 Series kidney grills. We're going to be meeting up with him soon. There you go, guys. Brian just put this on his BMW. Appreciate the support, Brian. And hopefully if he's looking for other parts, hopefully we can help him out. Today I'm going to be meeting up with a customer from OfferUp, and they're going to be getting this Mad Power N300 wireless N extender. So yeah, I'm going to meet up with him in just a bit. There's a customer from OfferUp, so big shout out to the customer for supporting us, and stay tuned for the next featured product. Nice. So he just came up to pick up the wireless extender.
Yeah.
Nice bike, man.
Thank you, bud.
All right, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Be safe. It is Tuesday afternoon, and Anthony from OfferUp messaged me about this Volkswagen Jetta headlight, the passenger side. It's for the 2011 to 2016 Jetta, the MK6 model, Volkswagen Jetta. So yeah, I'm going to be getting rid of this passenger headlight finally, and he's going to be meeting up with me in just a bit. And if you guys are interested in any of our items on OfferUp, feel free to check us out, or message us in the comment section below, or direct message us, and we'll be glad to help you guys. Got Anthony right here. He's comparing his headlight he has here for his Jetta with the one that we have for him. It's pretty much like never been used. Like if you peel this off, bro, you mind if I peel this off for you?
Yeah, go ahead.
You peel this off. I'll put this back on. It is just like, yeah, it's never been used. Good conditions, ready to be put on. You know, all the tabs are there. Everything.
Yeah, you can have the bulbs and everything. That's cool.
Yeah, so everything's in there, and yeah, we're glad to help Anthony and appreciate him supporting us on OfferUp. This is Anthony's current headlight right now, the passenger side. So we're glad that we were able to get him the replacement headlight he needed. And it looks like he's gonna look into the LED bulbs for the upgrade, so we'll definitely take care of him when he's ready. So what's up, guys? It is Wednesday afternoon. So I'm heading out right now to pick up this RX-7 FD bumper. Maybe this is just a start where I'm gonna be hopefully getting my own FD. Maybe one day I'll get one, or just start collecting parts for it. Or maybe I'll just flip the bumper, but I'm gonna be picking up this FD bumper, and I'll be showing you very soon. So I'm heading out right now. There's traffic right now, so but yeah, I'm heading out right now. I'm gonna be picking it up. I'll show you soon. We got traffic, LA. People are out and about. Finally, I see traffic. So yeah, guys, here picking up this FD bumper. Looks pretty good. Maybe it's a start for me to hopefully picking up an FD, but
yeah, it's a Mazda Speed GTC rep bumper.
okay.
Most reps, they won't have the air gate or the air dam in the front right here.
Okay.
So when it's fully on your car, people won't really be able to tell. You can either just put 99 spec lights, or you can get the specific lights for it. I would probably just put 99 spec lights because those are a little hard to find.
Okay.
You can either leave this like as an air release, I guess you could say, or you could put like the side markers in there.
But yeah, guys, this could be a start. I just got a good deal on this on the OfferUp, so picked it up from Alec. Appreciate Alec giving me the opportunity to pick this up.
Yeah, man, no
great
problem.
deal. Thought I'd just give it a shot, guys. I mean, I have a Miata, but hey, if I could collect some parts for an FD, maybe I can build one. But we'll see. We'll see where it goes. I appreciate Alec, giving me the opportunity to pick this up. Picked it up today here, Wednesday. So stay tuned, and we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Thanks, Alec. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Sunday afternoon, and I'm going to be meeting up with Julio. He hit me up on OfferUp, and he was interested in getting this Raiders beanie. So I'm going to be meeting up with him shortly, and he's going to be picking this up. Shout outs to Julio. Thank you, Julio, for supporting us on OfferUp. Grabbing some in and out. Today is Sunday. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Today I'm going to be meeting up with one of my customers from OfferUp, and he was hitting me up regarding these Godspeed Project lug nuts. I had posted it on OfferUp for probably about 2 weeks, and I finally had someone hit me up. So just want to take a look at it. These are the Godspeed lug nuts you see right here. These are the GSP Type 3 lug nuts from Godspeed. They also come with the adapter socket here. You see right here. And these are the 20-piece set. So a big shout out to Nico from OfferUp for supporting us, and stay tuned for more featured items on OfferUp. See you guys later. It is Wednesday afternoon. Hope you guys are having a good day. Yeah, today I'm actually going to be meeting up with a customer. He's going to be picking up this Boss Kit 6-bolt steering wheel hub adapter. And this steering wheel hub adapter is for the Nissan S13, S14, also the Z32, and it's also for the Maxima. Here it is. Also comes with the ring and the hardware, some bolts and the Allen key to tighten it. So yeah, this is the steering wheel hub adapter for the Nissan S13, S14. Also fits the Z32 and Maxima. So yeah, I'm going to be meeting up with Roman. So big shout out to Roman from OfferUp for supporting us. So if you guys are interested in looking for any other parts, check us out on OfferUp at Firm 400, or just hit us up in the comment section below. Also, just wanted to show you, so Roman was also interested in checking out some other parts that we had, and we actually had some steering wheels, so I wanted to show you. We have the JDM Sport 350 millimeter deep dish steering wheels. We have 3 of them. They're in great condition. They're 350 millimeter deep dish leather. We have them in the red and black leather trim here. There. We have the gold one that you saw right here, and we also have the blue one. Great condition, open box item. These were displayed items that we used when we were at the events, the past events. And if you guys are interested in upgrading your steering wheels, we have these available. So hit us up if you're interested, and hit us up if you guys are looking for any other parts. All right, stay tuned. So guys, just stopped by Vitacane. They're out here in Rosemead. Got some dope drinks. Got their Vitacane 50/50, the lemon berry drink. It's pretty awesome. Make sure you guys check them out. Support. Now back to the grind. Alright guys, it is Wednesday afternoon. Just met up with, what was the name? I forgot his name, dude. Well, I just met up with my last OfferUp customer. Now I'm going to meet up with another customer, Caesar. Caesar from OfferUp just hit me up about these 0306 Chevy Silverado top headlights. So these are the clear reflector, chrome housing style. This is the top pair, and Caesar is going to be picking this up. It's actually here. So I just wanted to show you the featured item from this week. I believe I have another set or 2 that's available. So if you guys are interested, hit us up in the comment section below, or just message us, and we'll get back to you. So yeah, big shout outs to Caesar for supporting us. Stay tuned for more featured items on OfferUp.
But I messed this one up, so.
What's up, Caesar? Shout out, bro.
What's up, man? What's up? What's up?
So, bro, check out his dope Silverado lifted. Pretty sick. Yeah, he came by. He's gonna pick up. He just picked up these. Well, the new ones I showed you guys, the new top headlights for the Silverado. So he's just gonna check it out, see how it looks like.
Yeah, man, looks a lot better than these.
Yeah, check it out. Yeah. So yeah, that's a dope truck, man. Z71. Check it out, bro. Anything else you plan to do to the truck, man, or?
I'm actually, I just got some headers for it.
Dope.
Some nice heads. 243 heads, LS6 heads. I'm getting a little cam for it. And going a little higher on the lift. That's about it, though.
Yeah. Yeah, I see a lot of the, well, they're lowered.
Yeah.
But yours is lifted, so that's pretty
man, this
different.
is Z71, 4x4, so.
Nice.
Like taking it out to the dunes and stuff.
Hell yeah. Big shout out again to Caesar for supporting us on OfferUp. And, you know, if Caesar needs anything, we'll hopefully have more stuff for the Silverado. We'll hook him up. So stay tuned for more featured items, guys. And thanks again, Caesar.
Firm 400.
Firm 400, man. You know what it is.
Firm 400. Firm 400.
Firm 400.
Firm 400.
Firm 400, you already know what it is.
Firm 400.
Firm 400.
Firm 400.
Firm 400.
Firm 400.
Firm
Firm 400.
Firm 400. Let's go, 400.
400.
Firm 400.
Hey, firm 400.
Firm 400.
And you need to check a firm 400.
Firm 400.
Firm 400.
400. Firm 400.